take a look at the vast range of motorbikes from RiiRoo. The RiiRoo KTM style kids ride-on electric motorbike is a fantastic looking motorbike that combines the KTM looks with durable and tough plastic that's built to last. Robust enough to stand up to kids' playtime, ensuring this will give your kid hours of fun. It's suitable for children of up to 4 years of age or up to 102 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, pre-installed music player.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Padded leather style seats. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Removable safety stabilisers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with two wheels. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.